we're going to do some musical math with our song Bounce High. First, I want us to review the rhythm notes that we know. So let's do our rhythm chants. So what is this? It's a quarter note, quarter note. One sound, one beat. Quarter note, quarter note. When we see it, we say ta. So that one has one sound and one beat. Now, this next one might be a little different. It might have a different number of sounds. Let's see how many beats it is. This is our chant for the eighth notes. 2 eighth notes, 2 sounds, 1 beat. 2 eighth notes. When we see it, we say TT. Even though our 2 eighth notes have 2 sounds, they still only have 1 beat. That's something to remember as we go through our song. So now I want us to look at bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. Sing it as you tap the steady beat. Hearts are the steady beat, basketballs are the rhythm. Sing it ready, here you go. Bounce high, bounce low. Now clap the rhythm. Bounce high, bounce low. Now we're going to do the same thing with the next section. Tap the beat. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Now tap the rhythm. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. When we tap the rhythm, we're tapping the sounds, right? The words. Now I want us to think of our meter 2-4. We have 3 bar lines here that are separating this section of our song into 2 measures. 1 measure, 2 measures. And we have our meter here. Let's see if this is the right meter. Bounce high, bounce low, ta, 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 ta. Now, 1 beat plus 1 beat, 2 beats in this measure. 1 beat plus 1 beat, 2 beats in this measure. It works. Our measures are grouped with 2 beats in each. Let's see if the next one works. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Clap the rhythm or the sounds. Bounce the ball to Shiloh. Bounce the ball to... Okay, so we have 2 sounds here. So all together, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds. But do we still have 2 beats? Let's find out. Okay, so look, we have 2 eighth notes and 2 eighth notes. Let's say this rhythm. T, 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 ta, ta. So does that still fit? Let's think about it. This is our eighth notes, and the chant reminds us that 2 eighth notes have 2 sounds, but they still equal 1 beat. So if 2 eighth notes equal 1 beat, and then 2 eighth notes equal 1 beat, then you add that together, and it's 2 beats. So even though there's 1, 2, 3, 4 sounds, still only 2 beats. Whoa, exciting. So does this fit in our 2-4 meter? Yes, it fits perfectly. We have 1 beat, 1 beat, 2 beats, 1 beat, 1 beat, 2 beats. 2 sounds, 1 beat, 2 sounds, 1 beat, 2 beats. 1 sound, 1 beat, 1 beat, 2 beats. Each measure has 2 beats. Ta, 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 ti, 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 ta, ta. Bounce high, bounce low, bounce the ball to Shiloh. So this song is in a meter of 2 with 2 beats in each measure. Phew! Oh, that was a complicated one, but guess what? You figured it out. You stuck around, you thought about it. You figured out that even though a song has more than 2 sounds in a measure, it can still have 2 beats in a measure and beat in a meter of 2. You're becoming so smart. If you're watching these videos and doing these lessons, you're a musical genius. Way to go. I'll see you soon, aviators.